Welcome to another episode of DownShiftZM. Right now, I'm on my way to a local store to try and get some tools.
Guys, life is made easy with the correct tools. Something that I was thinking is gonna be very difficult, I was sure, easy cheesy peasy. I'm even shocked.
I have an issue with a 2006-2008 Toyota Vitz with a 2SZ engine. I previously suspected that it was my alternator which was giving in, because what was happening with my car is that it would idle very bad, or basically it idles very bad right now, and also it shows the battery light. But when you're in motion, when you have your foot on the throttle, everything is all good. So I've looked up what the issue could be, and this is just an issue to do with maintenance. Looks our throttle body is dirty. So as you can see here, we've got a very, very dirty throttle body. So we're supposed to clean that. So after struggling a bit, the battery drained. But at least now the idle is holding. I don't have funny vibrations as before. There you go. DIY fix.
So what was happening with the Vitz is simple but very annoying. We replaced the voltage regulator on the alternator of the Vitz. The problem didn't go away. So some of the symptoms that you might experience when you have a problem like this: your idle will be jumping around, the lights on the dashboard, in your radio, on the instrument clusters will be flickering, and these usually indicate a problem with the charging system, like your alternator is bad or the voltage regulator is bad, and which is what we did. And we checked it and found that yes, the voltage regulator was not okay. It was replaced. While the problem did improve, the problem didn't go away. So after a little bit of research, we've put the link in the description below of somebody who had a similar problem and how they resolved it. And we discovered that the throttle body was dirty. And so all you have to do is just dismantle the top with some carb cleaner and a clean cloth. You can clean your throttle body and the problem goes away. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Apologies that these videos have come late, with COVID and shipping being affected. The car parts are taking much longer and longer to come, and so most of the cars are sitting just waiting for car parts. But yep, there's a couple of updates coming soon. The Land Seahorse project is going to resume. The wagon is going to resume. We've got updates on the 2 chasers. We've got updates on the GC8. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share with everybody. We're going to try and keep the videos a little bit more consistent in the coming few weeks. Thank you very much for your support.